Hi, Andy Sandham here. So I'm just doing a quick tutorial to show how to replace the default Ikinema character with, in this case, something from Mixamo. So starting with the download of this unpleasant character, let's just have a look at download. So you want to download a Collada DAE in T-pose, and this is because this comes out as a zip file, so you get the textures as well, which doesn't seem to work when you do it as a Unity FBX. So I'm just going to wait for this to prepare, so I shall be back in a moment. Oh no, here we go. Okay, so it's just downloading now. I thought I'd have to get a zombie character if we're talking about game development. So I'll show that in the folder. I'm just going to unzip that out of sight on my other window. Okay. Okay, so it gives you a .dae and a texture folder. So what I'll do is I shall drag both of those into characters. So it's just importing that. So cop zombie, let's just drag him into this. Oh, hang on a minute. So here's the point again. We want to take that and change it to a humanoid. Apply that. Okay, all good. Drag him into the scene. He's the size of the universe. So let's zero that out, and then just scale it down to something slightly more sensible. Not upside down is always a good choice. Okay, so I don't know whether this scaling issue is to do with the DAE format, whether it's not saving out a normal scale setting. So it's as simple as this really. So we just move that over there. I've already taken another character in from Mixamo, and then it's really just a case of going back to your assets, opening up your animation, and then just dragging that onto the character. And then if we press play, it doesn't work, although it does work with this character here. Okay, so I'm assuming it hasn't worked because for some reason it hasn't updated the controller, which it did automatically on this character. Maybe I pressed something wrong, don't know. So basically we want to assign for zombie. Okay, so I'm assuming this will work. Let's have a look. There we are. Okay, so I've got all three characters now, utilising my mocap data. The dancing zombie. Okay, there we are.